What's up guys, my name is Shaina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with the new Riviera palette. So this is the little tote bag that I got in my PR box. I'm going to use this every day when I go to the beach this summer. I'm going to go to the beach more than I normally do just so I can use this bag and be like, yeah, thanks, I got it from Anastasia. Inside the bag they also gave this like giant blow up beach ball, which I haven't blown up yet. Should we blow it up? Let's blow it up. Cute! Glad that I just inflated that and have nowhere to put it and no one to play volleyball with because I'm alone. Okay. They also gave me this really cute water bottle, which I'm actually really excited about. Like, it's so cute. And then of course the main event here, the actual Riviera palette came in this little box. Ooh. And on the inside, ooh, so this is like the most brightly colored palette that Anastasia has come out with to date, and I'm so excited about it, and they keep hinting that more color is coming and I'm very here for it. So we have a few really bright pops of color. We have this bright ass pink called Bahamas, this bright ass purple called Cane, right? That's how you say it, like France? Cane? Canes? Cans? I'm not cultured. And then we have these beautiful shimmers up here. Let me just swatch these shimmers because I just need to. Oh my god, it's so soft. Also, let's not talk about the color difference between my face and my arm, okay? My arms are very pale. My chest is this color. It's not my fault, okay? It's just, this is, don't come for me, okay? Sorry. So that one was Seychelles. Okay, this one is Palermo. These, oh my god, you guys, these are so soft. Ooh, it's literally so soft that like I'm digging my finger in more than I need to and I'm getting like so much coming off, but like it's so nice. And then this one is Seaside. This is like a silver. No one said I was a swatch artist, okay? Oh, it's like purpley. It's also really pretty. Okay, these swatches are so bad, Anastasia. I'm so sorry, girl. I'm so sorry. This next one is the bright yellow, which I am so excited about, and it's called Inheritance. That is so pretty. This blue purple one here is Mediterranean, and then this like bronzy gold, that one is Yacht. Okay, jumping into a voiceover real quick because one of my files got corrupted. Real fun times, not at all stressful. But here I'm just taking a Morphe M507 brush and starting to put that purple cane shade all up in my crease. So I'm just slowly building up the color at first. I don't want to go in too intense right away just because you can always add more, you can never take away. So I'm just taking an M506 with that bright pink Bahamas color, and I'm going to go around the edges of this purple and kind of like blend it out with this. I'm going to go back with the purple color and just start deepening up the crease a little bit more with that. And I'm going to really start like packing it in to get that color to build up nice and intensely. Okay, so first impressions, these colors are blending out really nicely, which is, you know, I expect nothing less. The colors are nice and buildable, so you can get like a lighter wash of color if you wanted, or you can build it up and have it be that like intense color that it looks in the pan. However, I am noticing that if you start blending it a little too much, you will lose a lot of the like impact of the color, and then you'll have to like kind of go back and pack a little bit more on. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a clean M506 blending brush, and I'm just going to go around the edges of that pink and just softly soften them. Softly soften them. Good English, Shaina, good English. I'm gonna start pulling that purple down to my lower lash line just so I can kind of get the shape of the eye a little bit better. And I'm just gonna go back with that same M507 that I used before with that purple, dragging it from the outer corner here, connecting it and bringing it in. I want to keep the end like pretty like blown out and smoky. And I'm gonna drag the pink color underneath with the purple as well. Alright, I'm just gonna go back and deepen up the purple in the crease a little bit more. I think I'm going to pack on some of that bright pink shade to like, I guess the outer corner region here inside of that purple, because I want that like really vibrant hot pink in here somewhere, which I'm only gonna really get if I pack it on. I'm gonna take the brush that came with the palette. I really like the little short like packing side of these brushes. I'm gonna go into Palermo and I'm gonna pop that right on my lid next to where I packed that pink color. I feel like it's almost not really sticking to my lid that well in like this middle area here. I feel like I still like can see my lid showing through. I'm not sure if that's because it doesn't like the base that I have down or what's happening, but I'm gonna try to put it on wet and see if that makes a difference. Okay, yeah, that is definitely making a difference. Alright, so I'm just gonna pack that yellow right on the inner part of my lid here. That is blending so pretty into the other shimmer. Definitely do feel fallout coming onto my face. Oh, and I see it too, so there's definitely some fallout happening. I'm going to add those shimmer shades that we put on the top onto the bottom as well. So I'm gonna put Palermo first, right under where we put Palermo on the top. Be sure to get it all inside of your eyeball as well. Really adds to the look. Oh fuck. That yellow onto the inner corner as well. Okay, I feel like I need to add a little more drama to this, so I'm going to add a little bit of black eyeliner. I'm not gonna wing it out, I'm just gonna kind of throw it on there just to like define the lash line a little bit. So I'm not winging it out, I'm stopping right at the end of my lash line. And just kind of making like an angled line just to end it. And bringing it back in. And I'm just gonna add some pencil eyeliner to my waterline and tightline. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye really quick, pop on some mascara and a pair of lashes, and then I'll be right back to finish up the face and give some final thoughts on this palette. Okay, now I have both eyes done. I popped on some lashes. These lashes are from the brand Icona Lashes, and they're in the style About Last Night. They were kind enough to send me these and a bunch of other styles of lashes, and I really love them all, so I will totally link them down below. It's not sponsored or anything, just wanted to share. I'm going to finish up the face now, so I'm going to add some blush. And I'm going to take this ABH blush trio. This is the Pool Party trio, and I'm going to take this like pink shade in the middle. A23 brush, also from Anastasia. This is actually a highlighter brush, but I have one for blush and one for highlighter because it's also a really, really good blush brush. Pull that on. I did have quite a bit of fallout stick to my face from the eye look because I didn't have too much powder on my face. I wanted more of like a fresh, dewy finish, which came back to bite me in the butt. And now I have some fallout stuck, but you know, I'm trying not to think about it. We're just gonna Facetune it out later and it'll be fine. Look at the difference blush can make. Like, this side of my face just looks so much more like finished and done and like complete. I just said the same word in 3 different ways. Alright, and I'm just finishing off the face with some highlighter. I'm just using the ABH Resi highlight. Just look at that magic in the pan right there. This is my favorite highlight ever since I got it. Like, I have not put it down, and I don't want to. Alright, I'm going to give myself a nice spritz of Urban Decay All Nighter just to melt everything together and make sure everything stays in place. Just like a light spritz, you know? Alright, and then for lips, since we have a very bold eye going on, I'm just going to finish it off with a nice pinky nude lip. So I'm going to take MAC Boldly Bare lip liner. My lips are like extra crusty today, so don't pay too much attention to them, please. But I'm just going to top that lip liner with Soft Touch matte lipstick, also from Anastasia. And I'm going to finish off the lip with this Estella gloss from Anastasia. This is a really pretty like glitter gloss, and it has a little bit of a purple reflect, so it's really gonna help tie this look together. Okay, and we are done, finally. Alright, so I think that this look turned out so cute. I freaking love this palette. I cannot wait to play around with some of the other colors in here, especially that like teal shimmer. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I want to put it everywhere. I really, really enjoy this palette. The formula is the classic Anastasia formula. It's buttery, it's smooth, it's blendable, it's buildable. But one thing that I did notice is with especially the brighter color, when you really like pack it on, it does pack on nice and vibrant, but if you blend it out a little too much, it can definitely lose a lot of the vibrancy fairly easily. So, you know, you definitely have to kind of learn the shadows and learn how to work with it a little bit, but it's not hard. Like, it's not difficult. I would not knock like the quality of the palette for that. It's just how those shadows work, and I think that they still look beautiful and blend beautifully and build beautifully. Just the color scheme of the palette alone, like, hello, that is so gorgeous. I had it out in the sunlight before and it was just beautiful. I had so much fun filming this video, so if you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed filming it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe. I'm so close to 200 subscribers. Let's try to get there before the next video. If you are interested in keeping up with all of my looks that I post, I am way more active on Instagram, so be sure to follow me there if you want to see what I'm up to, what I'm creating. Thanks again for watching this video and taking the time to hang out with me. I really appreciate it. I had a lot of fun, and hopefully I will see you soon. So until next time, bye.